In this section, I want to get a bit more technical with you and help you understand the technical elements behind Bitcoin. So, if you weren't aware, Bitcoin is a form of open source software and was launched back in 2009. Right now, I'm going to explain what open source software is so you can understand Bitcoin technically. So, open source software is essentially open. Anyone can view, modify, or improve the core source code. Now, if you're wondering what source code is, it's simply what creates the software. But as users, we don't see it, we just see the front end. Let's follow on from the source code now. So, if you have access to it, you could improve the software or fix a bug that you've noticed. Simple as that. So let me now move over to how open source software is different from traditional software. So remember, Bitcoin is an open source piece of software, but an example of a closed software would be, let's say, the Microsoft package that you have on your computer. Only Microsoft can edit the actual source code, you can't. Whereas with something like Bitcoin, anyone can contribute to the code and perhaps modify it. Now, there are many more examples of open source software on the net and of course on GitHub. So the difference is that open source software, anyone can contribute to the code, whereas with closed software, only the team involved can edit and work with the source code. Being open source is part of Bitcoin's ethos, especially as it is a community-based currency. Now, with open source software, there are 4 key reasons as to why people actively use it. Firstly, we have control. Now, that's especially true for coders, as they like to understand how usable the program is. Secondly, we have training. Newbies can actually practice here and ask for feedback from experienced developers in the community. Thirdly, we have security. Anyone can inspect the code to see how it works and if it's actually secure enough. And then finally, we have longevity. The project can't just disappear overnight. There's a community-based effort around it which ensures the longevity of it. By the way, just so you're aware, just because a program is open source, that doesn't mean it has to be free. So that's everything on open source software. I hope you can now see how that relates to Bitcoin and how closed software and open source software differ. Now, if there's anything else that I can help you on, please feel free to ask. I'll see you in the next lecture.